Hi guys, today I'll share with you Makita GA044G 40W max cordless angle grinder. The new Makita is using the X-lock for toolless accessory changes. X-lock mechanism enables to install or remove X-lock wheels with just a single action without tool, minimizing downtime between wheel changes, minimizing over-tightening or loosening of wheels. X-lock wheel can be easily removed simply by pulling up the lever. New toolless wheel covers allow for fast and easy angle adjustment and installation removal of wheel cover. Outperforming performance and efficiency, genuine solution for high-demand industrial applications. Excellent in continuous heavy-duty work, soft grip provides increased comfort on the job. Pedal switch, easy to hold slim grip, achieved by optimized parts allocation. Grip circumference smaller than the GA408 series. Soft start, suppressed startup reaction for smooth startups and longer gear life. Spiral bevel gears for smoother rotations and a more efficient transfer of energy. Wheel diameter is 135 mm. Max wheel thickness will be 6 mm. Hole diameter will be 22.23 mm. No-load speed will be 3000 to 8500. The dimension will be 433 mm times 140 mm times 163 mm. The net weight is 3 kg to 5.4 kg. The standard equipment will be depressed center wheel, cutting wheel cover attachment, and toothless wheel cover and side grip. Please like, subscribe and turn on the bell for more videos.